Today, we're talking about a topic that can seem scary, but doesn't have to be. Foundation cracks. We'll break down how to tackle these cracks in 5 steps. Step 1, identifying the problem. Chances are, if you're watching this, you're worried about some problem signs you've already found in your home. Cracks in your walls or floors, gaps between floorboards, bowing walls, or even a sinking feeling in your house. But these are usually only a symptom of a bigger problem with your home's foundations. Once you've spotted a potential problem, it's time for step 2, diagnosing the cause. Now, a very common culprit is soil. See, soil expands and contracts with changes in moisture, and that can put a lot of stress on your foundation. Poor drainage makes this issue even worse because water pools around the foundation, making the soil even less stable. For proper diagnosis, make sure to consult with a professional. Groundworks offers free foundation inspections and will be able to find the root cause and determine the best step forward. Now that we've identified and diagnosed the problem, let's move on to step 3, choosing the right repair method. Foundation repair isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of solution. The best fix for your home depends on the type of foundation that you have and the extent of the damage. If you're dealing with severe structural issues like major sinking or settling, your foundation probably needs a boost from the ground up. Foundation piers work by digging deep underground below your sunken foundation and pushing it back into place. For tough, rocky soil, you can use helical piers, which work even in the toughest soil conditions. Then there are interior foundation solutions. For basement foundations, you can use carbon fiber strips or wall anchors to brace and stabilize bowed walls. For more severe damage, you may need to give your foundation a boost with a set of foundation piers. But for a concrete slab foundation, you may want to go with polyurethane injections or slab piers. And finally, for crawl spaces, there are floor support jacks. These lift and reinforce sagging floor joists, giving your house some extra support. Step 4, installing the solution. Now, we can't stress enough, foundation repair is best left to the professionals. They have the experience, the know-how, and the specialized equipment to get the job done right, and most importantly, safely. Step 5, preventative measures. Keeping your foundation safe is just as important as fixing it. Schedule follow-ups with your foundation repair expert to make sure issues haven't developed in other parts of the home. A few simple safety checks can go a long way. And there you have it. With these 5 steps, you can tackle foundation cracks like a pro. Call Groundworks today to schedule a free foundation inspection and get started.